Let's make some clotted cream. Let's go ahead and show you how we're going to start off doing it. We're going to make the quick version. Quick version is going to take roughly 13 hours. But it's better than the 24 to 25 hours for the long version. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with a heavy saucepan. And this is key, you need to make sure that you have a nice heavy saucepan. In that we're going to place 3 cups of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of butter.
Unsalted.
Well, unsalted butter, yes. We're going to put this on a medium heat, and we're going to cook this. We're going to bring it to a small simmering boil. So it's just going to simmer, but we don't want to scorch it. And we're going to consistently stir it for roughly 30 minutes. We want this to reduce by 1/3 in volume. All right, this is reduced to about 2 cups. I'm going to turn that heat off. I'm going to put this in a long, flat dish. We're going to let this cool to room temperature, and then we're going to stick it in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, it's been about 12 hours or overnight. Now, if you look in the corner there, Mom and I may have tasted it, before, it was ready. Gimme.
It tasted like a really good quality pure butter.
So, it's really good. So all we're going to do now is we're going to take it, we're going to mix it. Now this is the fast version, like I said. The other version is a lot longer, but it's the oven baked version. We're just going to mix it all together, get that skim, mix that skim in. And we're going to pour it into our little pan over here. This will keep in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Mom has made some delicious homemade raspberry scones, and that's what we're going to eat it with. But we hope you enjoy this recipe. Take a moment to like and subscribe.